Hi, Tess here. So today I'm going to show you how to make chicken kelaguen, a most requested dish whenever we have parties. So let's get started. In regards to lemon powder, I got mine shipped from Guam. You could either use it or just use lemon juice. When handling chili peppers, please be careful. I'm actually not touching the sliced pepper. So you don't want to be, touching sliced pepper and then touching your eyes or anything in your face. So just be careful. When trying to open fresh coconut, you want to use precaution. We've done this before, so we always use the back of the cleaver. You can use a hammer if you want to, and always have a cutting board in hand. We've done this before, so we're used to it. Just be careful. If you've never done this, I suggest not doing it. You can also opt out in using frozen grated coconut or none at all. Back to all of our ingredients. Now I'm adding in my lemon juice. I'm gonna season everything and then I'm gonna taste it before I add in my coconut. So you wanna make it on kind of like a little bit on the sour side if you're adding fresh grated coconut. And here it is, chicken kelaguen. You could either serve it with plain rice, red rice, or any tortillas. Thank you and enjoy.